So the question is based upon the stable sorting. Some sets of input and corresponding sorted outputs is given to you, and you have to identify which of them are stable sorting. So what you can do, you can pause the video and attempt the question. So let's discuss the question. So first of all, you should know what is the stable sorting. So in the case of the stable sorting, the order of equal elements preserve. Okay, you have to only check the equal elements. If the order of equal elements are preserved, in that case we can say the sorting is stable, otherwise it is not stable. So you can see here the first input. So like, is there any equal character? Yes, there are two O. So to differentiate these two O, what we are doing, we are using O1 and O2. So O1 means it is the first occurrence of character O, and O2 means it is the second occurrence of character O. And after the sorting, whether the order of equal elements preserve? Yes, in this case it is preserved, because in initial input O1 comes before O2, and in the final sorted output O1 comes before the O2. So yes, we can say this is the case of the stable sorting. Now check for the second element, second input and output. So is there any equal elements? Yes, there are two R. So again its positioning is R1 and R2, and after sorting you can see its order is not preserved. In the case of the second, you can see here second output, R2 comes before the R1, okay, which was not the scenario in the initial input. So that's the why here the order of equal elements are not preserved. So that's the why we can say this is not the case of the stable sorting. Similarly, we can check for the third one, is there any equal elements? Yes, there are two C. So what is the order of occurrence here? It is C1 comes before the C2, and in the sorted output, whether C1 is coming before the C2? Yes, C1 is coming before the C2. So yes, in this case order of equal elements preserve. So that's why we can say yes, it is also the case of the stable sorting. So our stable sortings are as per the given scenario 1 and 3. So in which option 1 and 3 is there? It is option B. So we can say for this question the correct option is option B. So thank you.